You have a dead battery, but your charger doesn't want to charge it. Here's what you can do to trick the charger into starting the charge process. Here's a battery from a customer that wasn't used much, so I'll start the process with a battery test, just for comparison afterwards. The battery behind it is fully charged at 12.6 volts, which is what we'll use together with a set of jumper cables to bring this battery back to life. The battery is rated at 450 cranking amps, which we'll use to test before and after. You can see the battery is sitting just under 7 volts. Here's the thing, some battery chargers won't start the charging process if the battery voltage is too low, so you'll need to do a little trick. The first step is to connect the jumper cables from the good battery to the bad battery. Positive to positive and negative to negative. I've added a multimeter so you can see what happens. Then connect your charger to the good battery. So you're effectively tricking the charger by raising the voltage and charging both batteries at the same time. You'll see the voltage rising as we start the charging process, so let it sit like this for about an hour. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. After about an hour, switch off the charger first and disconnect the jumper cables. Now connect the charger to the bad battery and restart the charging process. Depending on your charger, it will show when it's finished charging, or leave it for at least 12 hours on charge. Ideally, for an accurate test, you want the battery to sit for a while to release residual charge, but let's do an initial test just for comparison. If we compare the results of both tests, we can see the cranking amps have improved significantly, so this battery can definitely be installed in the car. Speaking of installation, this video may help you with that, so see you there.